I started this DIY with a gold paint marker that I purchased at Dollar General and 2 chopping mats that I purchased at Dollar Tree. First, I drew a picture of a sleigh using my paint marker onto my chopping mats. With one chopping mat on top of the other, I cut out my sleigh so that I would have 2 pieces. Next, I measured 2 even pieces of balloon stand straws, and I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach them to one side of my sleigh. I decided that I would need a few more balloon stand straw pieces, so I used one of my already attached pieces to measure out another few pieces. And I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach them to the same side of my sleigh as well. Next, I measured the outside of one straw and the top of the other straw. I used a ruler to get a straight square. Then I cut out my square and I attached it to the back of my sleigh using Gorilla Hot Glue. I did the same process for the front of my sleigh. Once I was done attaching the front and the back of my sleigh, I attached the other side of my sleigh using Gorilla Hot Glue. I found that it was better to stand my piece up so that the hot glue would not sink through the holes of the straws. I reinforced my corners. I painted 2 balloon stand straws that I purchased at Dollar Tree Gold, and I used the corners of my sleigh to measure and cut the straws. I cut my pieces in half. Then I attached each straw half to each corner of my sleigh. Next, I attached a piece of balloon stand straw to the bottom of my sleigh. For my bottom, I did not cut my balloon stand straw in half because I wanted the trim to be more pronounced. Next, I used a small brush to apply Mod Podge to all the gold areas of my sleigh. Then I sprinkled gold glitter on top of my Mod Podge. At some point during this DIY, I decided my sleigh needed a bottom, so I measured a piece of chopping mat and I attached it to the bottom of my sleigh. Once I was done with my sleigh, I added my ornaments. And this is what it looks like once I was done. I added fairy lights to my sleigh and I positioned the power box so that I will easily turn on and off my lights. After I was done adding my lights, I added poinsettia stems that I purchased at Dollar Tree to my sleigh. And here is my sleigh once I was all done. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.